I got some deliveries, and this time it is from the Bakery Boutique. Bakery Boutique is Cebu's original milk cheese donuts. And now they have triple cheese donuts. But of course, nothing beats the classic milk cheese donuts. I really like yung manghatag sila og free or extra nga milk powders. In other words, you can have the all powder that you want. Dili jud tihik-tihik. So sigot sa kadagan akong gibutang. But in the same way too, excited ko mo try silang bago kaning triple cheese donuts. You can have a classic milk cheese donuts in a box of 12 for 180 pesos, and for the triple cheese donuts at 240 pesos ang box of 12. And it also comes in box of 24s or box of 30s. To order, you may just message the official social media accounts in Facebook and in Instagram. For that, mga nagdata guys, and yes, grabe good siya ka-cheesy in the same way grabe ka-milky. And can now with the extra milky powder, as in yay! Now we're trying the triple cheese donut. So yes, try to imagine 3 cheese sa kaninga donut. So well, again with the milk powder, as in it makes it more delicious. Or magmakulot ko ang 1 box with. Now guys, so I always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye bye.